guys, welcome to my video. I'm super excited about bringing you this free pattern from me. It's going to be my tiny crochet hearts pattern. It's one of the first patterns that I had put up on Ravelry when I first started crocheting, so I'm really excited about it, and I hope you guys enjoy it. So to begin, you're going to need a crochet hook and some yarn. And to start, we are going to be making 4 chains. We're then going to be working 10 double crochet into this first chain here that we had made. So there's 1, 2, and you can see this is the chain we're working into. There's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. If you're still learning to crochet, say you don't know like the double crochet, we're about to use the slip stitch and all that, I do have videos on all this and I will have it listed down below and up in the eye. I already have a playlist on some basic crochet stuff and basic stitches, so I will have those listed as well. So then we've already made our 10 double crochet into the center of that chain that we had made. We're gonna slip stitch into the top of the first double crochet we had made to join that circle. And then we are still going to work 3 double crochet into this center. It's 1. It's 2. And that is 3. So then my next step of this pattern is you're going to just move these 3 to the side, just sort of manipulate it and push them to the side over here. You're then going to go and turn your heart to the back, and you're going to slip stitch through the back side of it to complete that heart out. So I'm going to go ahead and cut that. And bring that through. And this is going to be how your little heart's going to look. And this is obviously the little peaks of the heart. And then you just sort of move the yarn around, because I mean yarn is finicky to begin with, so. Alright, and that is how you're going to make my tiny crochet heart pattern. Again, I have a free pattern. If you'd like to download the PDF version, say you want to read it, I will have that listed and everything. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe if you'd like to see more from me. Leave me any suggestions on, tutorials or patterns and anything that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for watching, and have a great day.